Good day, guys. We have another mode for our Jimny XL. So this is the box. It's a greedy steering wheel, guys, for JV64 and 74 compatible. So it's came from Japan. Actually, we ordered from one of our friends from the Philippines. Then from Japan, shift to Philippines, and then Philippines to Dubai. Even the zip. So let me open it for you. Wow, it's perfectly sealed. Protects it. As you can see, it's perfectly secured. So it's there. Greedy carbon steering wheel. Actually, guys, I already started removing my steering wheel. It's here. Let me show you. So I already removed the airbag. Anyway, it's easy because there will be 3 holes from here. So there will be one this side, down below, and on the other side. So basically, to remove that, when you insert, after the hole will be there. It's here. So once you insert this, you just have to pop up that clip. See the clip over here? This clip. So once you pop up that, once you press that, so the airbag button, the airbag itself, the horn side will pop up here. So and then you can remove it easily. Then these 2 plugs, this yellow cable and the black, so it's gonna be attached here. So the yellow one is for the airbag, and the other one, the ground, it's for the horn. So once you remove that, just make it sure that once you remove the steering wheel, it's gonna be in the center. So once you put it back again, so you will not be misaligned. So this is number 17. So from the socket range, you have to this is 17 bolt. So I already removed. So once you remove this bolt, actually surprisingly, it's easy to remove. Once we remove this yellow cable and then the horn, there's another one. This one actually, it's inside. So you just have to press the side. This one to be removed from the female. After that's all. This is gonna be connected to. I think this is gonna be connected to the. Let me check. The steering wheel. Yeah, once you pop up this, I think you have to remove just one more thing. Second, let me check. Let me rectify. What do I have to remove? I think you have to remove one more of this. This one, only this one. This is the one attached from the steering control. Just this one. One more. So total of 4 cables that you have to remove. So one from the airbag, horn, and the steering wheel controls buttons. That's it. Then I can lift this steering wheel easily. So now it's removed. You can see. So only those. So now I have to transfer. So I have to transfer these buttons from the new steering wheel. That's it. So I guess I have to. So remember, there is one here, 1 and 2. So only 2 screws that you have to remove. Then I think there will be clips on the sides. After we remove the 2 screws, okay, we'll start now. 2 screws. So actually, the tricky part, this one comes with a clip. So you just have to pull it out this first. So you can see this is the clip. 1 and then 2 and then 3. So that's all actually that you have to remove. So now it's here. So it's clipped this side, I guess. It's here, yeah. And then where's the cap? Let me check. Okay. Then it's here. So it's here. Now to continue, then you just have to remove one of the screws from here. The same size actually for this one. So yeah, I'll just remove from here, and then now we have to remove these clips. 1, 2, and then one here. Guys, don't remember to press this clip. There's a clip here, 1 and 2. After you remove all those clips, and then there will be like a pin. It's like a plastic pin. Here we go. It's there. Plastic pin. So now it's done. So we already removed all the hardwares from the steering wheel. Now we'll have to transfer everything to our new steering wheel. Let me open it and show you the comparison between the two. Wow, carbon. Sorry guys, I don't have any cameraman with me. I'm just recording it alone. So now we'll just have a comparison between the two. Identical. I think it's kind of there's a shape here on the side, so it's a bit smaller now compared to this one. It's 100% circle. You can see it comes with stitching. Yeah. So there is a yellow, blue, and blue. So it's a greedy color. That's the color of greedy, actually. You see. So it's like a dark blue. Yeah, I don't know. It's like blue or what, and then yellow. So those are the logo. So now we'll start to transfer all the hardwares. Put it back, everything. Okay, now let's start.
We have to remove this clip.
So I already put one. So now we have to remove 1, 2. That's 3, yeah. So it's 3
Put it back here.
metal clip. Like that. You just have to press. That's it. Done. So one more to go. So here we go. It's completed. All the metal clip. So 1, 2, and 3. So now we have to put this back now. It's like that. It's easy. Anyway, don't forget that there will be a pin. So don't forget to insert this plastic pin here first. This to be aligned. This 2, 1, and 2. And then now the clip here, 1. Where's the clip? That's it. It's dark, a little bit dark. 1, 2, and then there will be 2 here. 1, then 2. Now I have to put the screw back from here. So the screw will be here. That's going to be the next. So don't forget to put the cable back in the clip. So there will be 1 and 2 clip to be attached. So it's gonna be like this. Yeah. So just have to put this cable back properly to the. Actually, there is a hole here to be aligned. Okay. I'm not sure if you can see it. This one. So there will be plastic here, plastic clip. See this? Where's that? You can't see it. It's a little bit dark. So just don't forget to align that in that hole. And then once it aligned, you just need to press this. Press this one. You'll hear a sound after. Then you'll hear a sound. Let me check. Perfectly fitted. You can see from here. Side. So it's like it's like an OEM. Anyway, it's Japan, no question. Oh, now we have to put this back clip here. So okay, and then plate it back. Now we have to put the screw back. So 1 and 2. Okay, all tight. now it's ready to attach on our steering wheel. Let's check. It's all perfectly aligned. Yeah, perfectly aligned. Perfectly aligned. Okay, perfect. Now it's time. We just need to put this one on top. So it's too really hard to take video while working. So, yep, that's it. Anyway, I did not guys, that's it. Almost done. Have to put this back now. Clean clip here. Okay. And now the back. I don't know, before the screw pala. A second, this one. I have to tighten this now. Okay then, tight.
See the line.
You already attached, and then you just have to press this. Guys, I already attached both cables properly connected. Now you just have to align. Perfect now. See, you press here. Horn, horn, horn. So all okay. The installation of our greedy steering wheel. So thank you nga pala, thanks to our friend from Cebu, Patrick, and Michael, of course. Thank you for the steering wheel that we ordered from Japan to Philippines and then Dubai. So it's a long journey for this. It's greedy. So thanks to our friend from Cebu, PRS shop, Patrick, Michael, thank you. So till next time guys, peace.